Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new vlog. It's me, your boy, Vlog Squad. And today, I hope you have a great day guys, as always. And yeah, so guys, thank I appreciate your support to my channel. I appreciate this guys because this is just an ad, this is just an this is yeah. So thank you guys for watching all my contents. I really appreciate. And yeah, when I when I when the when I don't vlog, I always go over here, cheating, watching some YouTube. And yeah, my biggest idol YouTuber is FaZe Rug. If you if you if you watch that if you watch that guys, yeah, I appreciate that because I really want to collab with FaZe Rug. I think he's in the San Diego, and from the future I will go to San Diego and I will live there for the rest of my life. I will work there as an YouTuber. And yeah, so I just showered. I just showered. And yeah, the I really appreciate your support to my channel guys. Thank you for subscribing, and as always, keep keep subscribe to my channel, and keep that positivity. And I love makes people's day even better. So yeah, so so this is this is just a say that I really want to appreciate you guys for watching my contents. I really appreciate guys, and share, and all those comments. And yeah, this is just my this is just my second channel, because my main channel is called Range the Vlog, but the YouTube but my account has been deleted by a hacker. I don't know what happened guys. I didn't do anything. I just get the subscriber that my channel is, I think, 52 subscribers. Yeah, so I really wanted to be a YouTuber as a blogger, because from the past I always talking about, because I love I love making videos. And yeah, so guys, so on the future I will make a movie named yeah, Scary Town. I will make a movie from the future, and I will make a podcast. um I really wanted to hire the cameraman, and I will want it to be I will really want it to be buy a camera, because I'm using right now is a phone, so I can't really afford some camera because it's expensive in the Philippines. So yeah, so that's all guys. This is just an update that July 14, the Manila. Yeah, I will make a special vlog for you guys. And in the future I will make some crazy things like pranking, like like crazy stuff, experiment, entertainment, that you can all enjoy my videos guys. And don't forget, while you eating, watch my videos while you eating, because I'm sorry guys that I really didn't upload the mukbang, but just trust me guys, I will upload the mukbang. Yeah, so I have another third channel, aka Mr. Gamer. Please guys subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my gaming channel. It's on the it's on my page, on my future channel, all down, and you have to subscribe guys. Please please love and support my gaming channel. I uploaded 6 videos. Yeah. That's about it. Thank you for watching guys, and this is just my appreciation for you guys for watching my old videos. I really appreciate. And yeah, it's being Vlogger Squad, and I'm out. Peace.